Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's review, stone art ideas. Prints. Stone art is a beautiful way to turn simple stones into creative decoration with just a little paint, glue, and imagination. You can make amazing crafts. Let's explore some wonderful stone crafts ideas that are colorful, easy, and fun. The first idea is stone animals, just like this cute tiger and monkeys, and you can arrange stone in different shapes. Paint them to look like animal. It's a fun project for kids. Makes great wall art for your home. The second idea is stone flower. Arrange small oval stones like petal around the center stone. Paint them in bright color. Handmade flowers, you can place them on plants, wood, and even decorate your garden with them. The third area is stone wall hanging. Take a wooden ball, glue stone, and create plants like tree, birds, butterfly, or even families. Add some paints for detail, and you have a unique wall decoration. The fourth idea is photo frame. Decorate a simple frame by putting colorful stones around the border. This gives your photo frame its rustic and handmade look. The fifth idea is cast and tray. Arrange flat stones together and glue them firmly to make caster or tray. You can leave them natural or paint them in design for a stylish table. The sixth idea is garden. Decorate, use paint, stones, or garden water for plants, or paint them as a ladybug, butterfly to decorate flowers. And the seventh idea is stone art story. Arrange stone in the shapes of people, house,